In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. It's quick, secure, and completely legit when done through Adobe's official website. First, click the link in the description below this video. This will take you directly to Adobe's official Illustrator page so that you can download the software safely and without any hassle. Once you're on the page, find and click the Start Free Trial button. You'll then be asked to choose a plan. Adobe offers several plans, including individual, business, and student teacher. For this tutorial, we'll go with the individual plan, which gives you a 7-day free trial of Adobe Illustrator. You can choose the plan that best fits your needs. You can also opt to try Adobe Stock for 7 days, which includes 10 premium assets you can download and keep. After selecting your plan, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and provide some basic personal and payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial period ends. Set a reminder on your phone or so. Once your details are entered, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then be prompted to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After setting up your account, Adobe will guide you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it on your computer, then log in using the email and password you just created. Inside the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps tab, search for Illustrator, and click Install. The download will start automatically, and once it's complete, Adobe Illustrator will be ready to use. And there you have it! You now have Adobe Illustrator installed and ready to explore during your free trial. Whether you're designing logos, creating vector art, or working on professional projects, this free trial is the perfect way to test out Illustrator's powerful features. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to use the link in the description to get your free trial directly from Adobe. It also helps support our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.